that your global migration outside India, migration becomes easy. Conference of more than 6,000 students. So full credit.
Contributed to making this council a reality. Thank you for your presence and support on this historic day, together and advancement in healthcare delivery system across Karnataka. The establishment of State Council.
There will be a curriculum will be formed about these 57 professions. As on 23rd, 10 curriculum have been notified and that will be implemented all over India. So, one nation, one curriculum. That is a motto, right? So, everyone will learn about same curriculum, they will follow, same exam pattern they will follow, they will have a same degree. And that is one thing. There has to have a standardization. So, Shinoy sir, Dr. Kasim sir, Dr. Ali Girani, esteemed member of Karnataka State Council of Allied and Health.
Through competent, ethical, and skilled allied and healthcare professionals, our mission is to develop a model for other states, ensuring that allied and healthcare professionals are streamlined, recognized.
ಇಫ್ತಿಕಾರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಜನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, MBBS ಅವ್ರು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ದಿಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮೇನ್.
ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆನೂ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಗೋ ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಡ್ಯೂ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್
ಇದೀಗ
ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲಿನ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಯಜ್ಞಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಗೂ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ
Together through partnership and perseverance, we will build an ecosystem that not only educate but also to elevate. So, leader Dr. Iftikhar Ali, Director of Medical Education, and Dr. Rajesh Shanai Srinivas Murthy, and Dean and Director, all of them. But also to empower. We are committed to standardizing and elevating the allied sciences education across Karnataka through structured curriculum, serious, rigorous assessments, and continuous innovations. However, education is only as strong as the educators behind it. So one of our foremost priorities is capacity building among teachers in allied health sciences through faculty development programs, hands-on workshops, digital learning initiatives, and collaborative research platforms. We are equipping our educators with the skills, insights needed to inspire the next generation. So today's theme in the conference that we have, all these at the background, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and Allied Health Sciences Council work. This council will play a crucial role in policy form.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. क्या मैडम क्या 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 क्या
Professor Anita, Professor Rajesh,
क्या
Dr. C.V. Yogajoda, Dr. Bharat, श्रीमती
क्या आगे रे मैडम आगे रे फाइल ಮಾಡಿ Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. So now I
Shinoy sir, Dr. Kazim sir, Dr. Ali Girani, esteemed member of Karnataka State Council of Allied and